dami natin pinagsamahan. So we will miss you anyway. Glad that you will be happy on your journey and hope that you get the best of everything there, and of course eat and take care of Jimboy and take care of yourself every time in there. And that's from the Liverpool, and definitely all the guns from me, all we wish everything from you guys and wish you everything and the best of luck. Do the best. DJ, take care of yourself. When you grow up, come back to Liverpool. Don't miss Justin, Andre, and everybody here. You're always welcome to Liverpool, and study hard, mate. So you'll get the best of life. And that's all. And God bless you all, family. Thank you.
Pre, okay na naman sa lakad natin yan. Memorable na naman to. Pero yung pinagsamahan natin, the best job pare. Hindi kita makakalimutan. Good luck sa inyo. Sana budiin nyo dyan. Alam ko naman, ginagawa nyo yung mag-asawa lagi. All the best pare. Pangako ko sa'yo, gagawin ko lahat na magagawa ko para magkasama tayo ulit dyan. Kahit masama loob ko, masaya ako para sa inyo. Lalo na para sa'yo pare. Alam ko, gusto natin yan. Alam ko, gusto natin parera yan. Pero magkikita tayo dyan. Pangako yan. Yes.
Hello Brad. Masama man tong binabalak mo, pero okay lang. Basta masaya ka. To, mga pamana mo sa akin. Sana tuloy-tuloy ang mga pangarap mo. Malungkot ako na paalis na nga kayo. Ganun pa man, sana'y tuloy-tuloy ang inyong mga success. Lakasan yung loob nyo. Sana'y makamit nyo pa yung mga minimithi nyo. Huwag nyo kaming kalimutan dito. Ganon din, di namin kayo makakalimutan. Kung kailan pang napamahal ka na sa akin, tsaka mo naman ako iiwan. Sama mo Brad. Bing, good luck sa inyo. AJ, stay cool man. Okay?
Just in lang po, no? Bagong balita, ang pamilya Mejia ay mabiyahe na papuntang Estados Unidos. Ito po isang maiksing mensahe lang po para sa kanila, sa kanilang pag-alis. Gusto lang po namin sabihin, happy kami para sa inyo. We wish you all the best pagpunta nyo doon. Ano po ba ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo? Sana huwag kayong makakalimot na may kapamilya rin kayo dito. At walang goodbyes, my friend. Dahil pagka magkaibigan, walang goodbyes. Kundi we'll see you there. Or we'll see you soon, I should say. We love you. We will miss you. Mag-Glastonbury pa rin tayo, pre. Huwag mo kalilimutan. Okay? All the best. Good luck.
Jimboy Bing! Paalis na. I can't believe na pag-alis nila Alan very soon yung pag-alis nyo naman. So ngayon pa lang kami nagkakadaupang palad ni parang Jimboy sa pagbabike, matatapos na agad. Anyway, good luck sa inyong dalawa, and nice to know you guys. You're a good person, very kind, very happy people. And sana tayo ay magkasama-sama ulit. Either in the States or kung saan man, or maybe here again. We don't know. Pero it's nice to meet you. You, Jimboy, Bing, and EJ as well. Good family, good company, and good friends. Okay? So take care. And just remember, we're all here for you if you need us.
Hi, Jimboy, Bing, and EJ. Goodbye sa inyo. Good luck sa buhay nyo sa Amerika. Sana mas magkaroon kayo ng mas maganda at mabuting buhay doon. We're gonna miss you guys. Love you all. Bye.
So nice and still. Safe journey. I'm sure we'll miss you. I know Sally will miss you. She's already started missing you. I think it's a good move, and America will be a new start for you, an opportunity with your family, and especially for EJ, and a lot of opportunities. And I wish you well.
To Jimboy, Bing, and EJ, you know how much I'm gonna miss you guys, and take care there. And so, of course, we're gonna still keep in touch, and we're still gonna see you there eventually. What can I say? I love you guys, and take care. See you soon. Bye-bye. Okay.
Bye.
I'm here.
Bye. Safe journey.
To AJ and Tita Jimboy and Tita Bing, we'll all miss you, and it's from Gabby and Mummy and Daddy and Jacob and Lily. Bye-bye! I'm going now!
Hello, Jimboy. Paalis ka na. Ako'y nalulungkot dahil isa na namang member ng campers ang aalis. Kailan lang umalis ang isa, ngayon aalis ka na naman. Sayang at maganda na yung ating pinagsasamahan, lalo na sa ating common interest, which is photography. Marami rin ako na natutunan sa iyo, at I'm sure meron ka rin natutunan galing sa akin. Kaya lang, sayang alis ka na. At isa pa, yung biking natin, ngayong natututo na akong konti, alis ka naman. Pero di ba rin, ipagpapatuloy namin yan dahil nandito na naman yung barkada. Anyway, Jimboy, Bing, and EJ, may have best of health and best of everything in the US. Alam ko maganda doon. Magkikita tayo pag nagbakasyon kami doon. And good luck sa inyo.
EJ, I wish you good luck and goodbye. We will always remember you. Enjoy America. Bye.
Hi, Jimboy, Bing, EJ. Aalis na sila. Mamimiss namin kayo. Good luck na lang sa inyo. Ay nako, hirap na salita. Bing, Jimboy, hindi ko makakalimutan yung ginawa niyong pag-organize ng charity dun sa mga sisters noon. We share the same interest and yung purpose na yung pag-organize yung mga ganun. Gusto ko yun. Hindi ko makakalimutan yun. Sana makagawa din lang kami ng ganun kahit wala na kayo. Sa camping, mamimiss namin kayo, but you will always be there in our heart. At saka, mag-uusapan namin kayo. Sandali, hindi pa ako tapos. Ano ka ba? Good luck, and saan man kayo pupunta, alam namin na masaya kayo doon, magiging mas successful kayo doon, and we will always pray for you, for everybody, and keep safe always, and good luck. We will meet you.
Bye.
To Mejia family, Jimboy, Bing, and EJ, we will miss you. We wish you all the best. And thank you for the friendship. Thank you for everything. It's been a pleasure meeting you, and till we meet again. Good luck. God bless.
And EJ, me and Bart are gonna miss you, and we hope you make lots and lots of new friends.
Bye. EJ, I'd just like to say goodbye and good luck with your new life in Los Angeles. Hope you make new friends, and I hope that I'll see you again soon. It's been really fun having you here.
You just call up my name.
I think all of us are
and
gonna miss
you know wherever I am.
Goodbye.
Hi, Bing, Jimboy, EJ. I really don't know what to say. I don't know how to say goodbye. You're making it even more difficult by living in our house. So I guess I will not force myself to say goodbye at all. Kasi parang hindi ko yata kaya. When you told me that you were bidding goodbye, that you're going for your visa, I had to really not just pinch myself but slap my face. Para ko ma-feel na talagang, oo, this is it. If you get your visa, that's it. You're gonna say goodbye. But after a while, I thought, no, you're not going to say goodbye. I promise you that. Maaalala ko yung mga days na ilang araw tayong nag-uusap tungkol sa buhay-buhay. You taught me a lot of things, a lot of lessons, and I hope I give you the same thing as well. I hope makuha mo lahat ng gusto mo din, Jimboy, at saka si EJ, lalo si EJ. I hope nabigay nyo yung gusto niyong future sa kanya, kasi I know that's part of the plan while you're moving. Wherever life takes you, however you want to move on, I hope you won't really not forget us. I will not forget you. I won't. I promise that.
Jimboy, Bing, AJ, ingat na lang kayo. Mamimiss kayo namin. Yun lang.
This world makes you crazy and you've taken all you can, just call me up, 'cause you know I'll be there, and I see your true colors shining through, and I see your true colors, and that's why I love you, so don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, true colors are shining through, and I see your true colors, and that's why I love.
Nice time, man. Good luck sa inyo dyan sa Amerika. Nice to know you guys, Bing, Jimboy, EJ. You're a great family. Enjoy yourself in America.
Parang Jimboy.
Dapat sana.
Jim, alis ka na pala? We didn't know that. You know, we'll miss you anyway. Hope that you find this the one that you've been waiting for is, you know, life is...
Sige, alis na ako. Sige, bye.
Just in lang po, no? May bago pong balita. Mayroon pong aalis na pamilya, ang Mejia family. Papunta na po sa Estados Unidos upang magkaroon ng panibagong buhay. Iiwan na po nila ang kanilang kapamilya rito sa Liverpool. Ang aking matalik na kaibigan na si Jimboy, cut. Ito po isang balita tungkol sa